What's up, guys? Having my breakfast again. Gonna have some sausage and eggs. Alright. So how's everybody out there today in YouTube world, huh? Yeah. Sausage and eggs. I think I'll go with 2 eggs. Yeah. Let's go with 3. I have a decent breakfast. Main meal of the day. I put 2 toasters in there. Should have them roll over. I got one of those things too. It's got a lot of protein and calories and oh man. Enjoy. Alright. Gotta grab my knife. No. My coffee. The hardest thing about making breakfast is you gotta do the dishes afterwards. And I always do. Yeah. So how's everybody anyway? I'm just slapping up a couple of sausages as you see. Yeah. Then I gotta wipe down the grease like I always say. Coffee is good, I'll tell you. Alright. Then I put this on there. Well, the eggs are gonna be cooking. Alright. Put this over here. Put this right there. Yeah. So how's everybody doing anyway? On this beautiful Monday morning. In a Manik Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Woo. Alright, a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. And I pour some in there. So I don't like oil on my eggs really. But just a little bit. And I gotta put the toasters on. Go without the toast. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Then I'm gonna watch my favorite show, Rez Reality May. My favorite show this month. I can watch it every day. And I go on these coordinates all over town and into another state and everything. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah. Alright. Well guys, I'll be right with you. Hit pause. Well, almost everything's going so perfect. My hair's getting long. You notice that, guys? Yeah. Well, I'm going to try one of these things here. One of the sausages cooking. Ensure. It's got all kinds of protein and calories and all that. It's good for starting the day. And then today I'm not going to pig out or nothing all day. Get back in shape. My physique. Today I got butter pecan. Yeah, good stuff. Woo-wee. Alright, now I'm going to flip you over again this way. There we go. Oh, this is my Under Armour shirt. Check it out. Under Armour right down the arm there. The logo's right there. Yeah. Well, it's underneath here right now. It's a little breezy up here. Nothing major, but still. We're almost ready for the breakfast. Oh yeah. Perfectamento. Perfectamento. Again. So always know, you know, breakfast is one of the main course meals of your day. Don't mind me just acting silly. Put the sausage around a little bit. I'm going to show you guys. Let me know what you think. Is it cooking? Yeah, it's cooking pretty good. I have to flip. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, yes. Hold tight. The final dish will be right here on this orange plate. Alright. I think we almost got the perfect dish. Alright. Get these eggs out. There's 3 eggs in there. Oh, I don't need it on there. That's for the sausage. I didn't go with the toast this morning. Toast is fattening. And I gotta keep an eye on my physique, eh? Well, y'all have a great friggin' day. This is Lloyd L. Paul, LL77, born in 70. But y'all have a great friggin' day. As I'm getting ready to tackle my breakfast. And put this in there. If there's any grease in it, I'll put it, wrap it in that, in the cleaning thing. See, in there. Woo. Then wipe the grease out of her. There we go. And you can see all that grease. I don't want that in my arteries. No way, man. See? Look at that grease. One wipe down. I don't want that in my claw grease. Y'all take care. Much love. LL77. Breakfast time.